Hello everyone! Today we will be making DNA model, and this is the materials we will be needing. Some used calendar, scissors, scotch tape, electrical tape, glue, and different colors of plastic. Okay, so for now, let us set aside the materials we wouldn't be using yet. Okay, for now, we will be using used calendar. So, we need to cut this with the size of this. Okay, so, cut this used calendar. And after this, we need to fold it. Okay, so after we fold this, we need scotch tape to make it stick together. Okay, so we need to repeat this multiple times. So I will keep doing this and I will get back to you when I finish. Okay, so for now, this is the finished product. Okay, in this model, we will be able to see the nitrogen bases and hydrogen bases. And I have used 4 different colors of plastic to represent the 4 different bases. So, we have red and green for guanine and cytosine, and blue and light green for adenine and thymine. So, we will be using this to cover what we have done. Okay, so we need to cover this for us to identify which is thymine, which is guanine, which is adenine and cytosine. And to make this model more colorful. So, here it is. I have covered it up with this color and it makes more colorful. Okay, so I will do the other colors. Okay, so there are 4 nitrogen bases and we use 4 types of color of plastic to determine, and we have guanine, cytosine, adenine, and thymine. Okay, so in this step is to pair the nitrogen bases. So, guanine is only bind with cytosine, and likewise, the adenine is only bind with thymine. So, we need to stick this together to make a pair. Okay, so we need to bind guanine and cytosine. Okay, so we have this pair. Okay, the guanine and cytosine. And now, we're gonna bind the adenine and thymine. Okay, so we have this pair. So, and we're gonna do this to all of this. So, this is the layers. Red and green, which can depict guanine and cytosine, and we have yellow and blue, which can depict adenine and thymine. Okay, so this is our nitrogen bases. These nitrogen bases hold the information of making proteins in all living beings. So we need to place these base layers of colored plastic at equal distances. Okay, so we have this adenine and thymine. So we need to put this here. Adenine and thymine. Next is guanine and cytosine. Okay, so we need to stick all of this. So, as you can see, the adenine is always paired with thymine and the cytosine is always paired with guanine. So this DNA contains all the genetic information which gets transferred from one generation from another. That's why we are look alike with our parents. Okay, so now this is our DNA model. You can now see the helical structure of the DNA. Rotate it so that you can see your 4 bases layers in one of the helix. This is because the DNA structure contains 4 bases layers.